Hello everyone, welcome to our first lesson. Today we will start from the most popular topic of mathematics, numbers. Let's start. Numbers. When we start to talk about numbers, we see that we have two different words. One of them is digit, another one is number. What is the difference between digit and number? There are 10 digits. They start from 1, 2, 3, and they finish in 0. 10 digits. What about numbers? 1 is also a number. 2 is also a number. 10, 11, 123, and so on. All these are numbers. So as you understand, there are 10 digits, and numbers, they are formed from digits. As alphabet, for example, in English alphabet, we have 26 letters, and all the words, infinitely many words, they are made of letters. So the same numbers are made of just from 10 digits. Okay, 3 is a one-digit number. 42, this is two-digit number. And one important thing, as you see, there is no S after digit. Okay, in 43, if they ask you, you can say there are two digits, 4 and 2. But other name would say it is two-digit number. If somebody asks you to write the largest five-digit number, the largest five-digit number is 9999 and 9. So 99,999. Okay, it's about digits and numbers. Okay, let us see value and place value and what is the difference between them. I will write a three-digit number, 356. There are three digits in this number, 3, 5, and 6. I will write another three-digit number with the same digits, 563. And I can create another three-digit number with the same digits as 635. There are three different numbers on the screen, but the digits are same. Just by changing the places of digits, we can create different numbers. Here, 6 is on ones place, 5 is on tens place, and 3 is on hundreds place. Here 3 is on ones place. Here 3 is on tens place. So the value of 3 here is 300. The value of 5 is 50, and the value of 6 is just 6. This form is called expanding form. So we expand the number by its values. This is 500 plus 60 plus 3. 600 plus 30 plus 5. So the value of 5 here is 500. The value of 6 here is 60. Okay. 742. 2 is on ones place. The value of 2 is 2. 4 is on tens place. The value of 4 is 40. And 7 is on hundreds place. The value of it is 700. 356. If I want to write value and place value of this digit, The value of this digit is 50. It is on tens place, and the place value of it is tens. What is value and place value of 6? The value of 6 is 6, but the place value of it is ones. What is the value and place value of 3? It is on hundreds place. Its value 300, but its place value hundreds. Okay, let us continue. Now, after learning the information about place value and value, we can easily use this information to read the large numbers. For example, let us write 4-digit number. I will use 5, 3, 2, and 9. Okay, we talked about place value. Let us continue this topic at ones, tens, hundreds. So, one period finishes and another period starts. This is a period of ones. If we add another number like 7, 8, and these 3 digits, they form another period that calls thousands. So we have ones period with 3 digits, 3 places. We have thousands period with 3 digits again. So we are reading a number as 875,000. So at the end of the period, we need to say period's name. Then 329, just 329. Actually, if we say 329 once, it's also correct. Let us write this number. 875,000, comma, 329. Okay, let us look. 800, as you see, we don't use S when we tell the name of number. We don't use S after 1,000, after 100, and so on. It's 875,000. It is one period. 875,329. When we say 1,000, it means after 1,000 comes another 3 digits, 329. Okay. If we have such number, okay, it's again 6-digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds place, that is one period. 1,000, again ones, tens, hundreds, but with thousand. 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. This is thousands period. Okay, and we read 407,000 and just 18. Let us write it. 407,000, comma, 18. Yeah. So now let us pay attention. The zeros here. This 0 and this 0. They are called placeholders. What does mean placeholders? Placeholder, it means you cannot skip that place. Like when we say 407,018, we cannot write 407 and 18. No. it is impossible to write the number like that because, as we talked before, in each period there must be three places. Okay, if we don't if we don't hear some hundreds, it means they read that place but without digits different than zero. So we will put zero here, and this is called placeholder. Like zero, hold that place for us. It hold the place for number. Okay, now I will write a number and I will write a number in words and we will write that number in digits. There you go. Let's just write. 300,000 4. Okay, 300,000 4. If we see the word thousand, it means we have the second period that called thousands. So before second period, we have first period that's called ones. So here we have 1, 2, 3 places of ones and the comma. And then we have 3 places of thousands. Okay. Let us see what we read from thousands place. 300. Okay, nothing else. 300. Great. And 4. Okay, where I can write 4. If I write 4 here, so I have to put zeros, it will be 400. No. If I write 4 here, then I have to put zeros here and it will be 40. No, it's exactly 4. So I will put zeros and then 4. So this is 4. It's 300,000 4. Okay, now let us learn the name of third period. As we say, there are 3 places in each period. Now we will look at 6-digit number. So again, this is ones period with 3 places. This is thousands period again with 3 places. And this is millions period with 3 places. And in each of them we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Again, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Okay. And if we continue and if we create 9-digit number, so we will have another 3 places that will be called billions. That is billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Okay, nowadays in our daily life and in some calculations, generally we use up to 9-digit numbers, so we will not continue our billions now. So dears, today we learn about digit and number. We'll learn about value and place value. We'll learn about periods and places, and we'll learn how to write number and how to write it. Thank you for watching. Our next lesson will be soon, and we will continue our topic numbers. If you are interested, I would like to ask you to subscribe the channel, to like the video, and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, you can write. It's my pleasure to answer to your questions. Thank you.